By purchasing one of the best drawing tablets for animation, you will be opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. There are plenty of excellent options on the market today, but with big names like Wacom, Huion and XP Pen dominating the digital art world, it can be easy to get confused when choosing something that's best fit for you. In this video, I am going to show you 5 latest and the best drawing tablets that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which tablet you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new tablet for drawing or for artwork, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you. Wacom Syntax Pro, a great Wacom tablet with a large drawing area. It's a great tablet for animation for the simple reason that it's good, reliable all-rounder that anyone can get brilliant results from. Easy to connect to a laptop or other device, the Syntax Pro provides dependable drawing surface and it is easy to take with you wherever you go. It's also compatible with the Wacom Pro Pen 3D, which is a great asset if you're looking to create 3D animation. Buy this amazing tablet for its generous drawing area and 3D pen compatibility. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Apple iPad Pro, a powerful tablet for drawing. Need more than just a drawing tablet? Thanks to the massive improvement in its stylus technology and display sensitivity, this latest 12.9-inch iPad Pro is top of the range. Not only is it one of the best tablets ever, it's also a serious tool for animators, whether you want to use as a standalone tablet or hook it up to your computer as a pen display. The mini LED powered XDR display is also best in class with the 1600 nits of peak brightness, 1000 nits of full screen brightness, great contrast and better control of local dimming. Drawing with the Apple Pencil also feels fantastic with the incredible sensitivity and that unmistakable Apple design that makes it comfortable to use in hand. Buy this amazing tablet for its amazingly processing performance, gorgeous liquid retina display, fantastic compatibility with the Apple Pencil. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. It's a great choice and it's a high-end tablet that clearly has its sights set on undercutting Wacom hard. So for about 1/3 of the price of the comparable Syntax 24, you get an impressive 24-inch 2K Quad HD display that features 90% coverage of the Adobe RGB color game mode with a textured film overlay bringing the feel of drawing on paper. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro also provides 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity as well as tilt response, ensuring superior definition of even the finest lines. Buy this amazing tablet for its excellent high-resolution display and the comfortable stylus. NCLab Pen Tablet Medium Bundle, the best tablet for animation and it's a best value for money tablet for animation. The NCLab Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is the new kid on the best drawing tablet blog and it's one of the newer brands making high quality tablets for animation. The NCLab Pen Tablet Medium, it's full of works in box. It comes with a NCLab Pen tablet, 2 pens and a case and a quick key remote with 40 programmable buttons and other add-ons such as drawing glue and a spade nibs. This is not as large as the Wacom Syntax 16, coming in at 13 inches. The NCLab fits neatly with an Apple MacBook or iPad Pro, demonstrating its mobile credentials. This is a graphic tablet, not a pen display or computer tablet. Buy this amazing tablet for its great balance of features and price and super pen option. Wacom Syntax 16. Wacom's excellent mid-range tablet balances price and performance and overall it's the best one. Despite increasing competition from the challenger brands such as Huion and XP Pen, Wacom is still the name to be reckoned with when it comes to tablets for drawing and animation, and deservedly so. And if you're getting some serious about animation, the Wacom Syntax 16 should be able to meet all your requirements. The Wacom Syntax 16 gets its name from its 16-inch screen, which is good size for most users. Wacom has made some savvy overtures to animators with its tablet, including full compatibility with lots of useful animation software. This can mean a lot of time-saving quality of life improvements that you can enjoy while drawing. Buy this amazing tablet for its great balance of features and price and superb pen options. So these are the 5 amazing drawing tablets that you can consider to buy for animation. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.